It's Erica from the kitchen on Goshen Hill. Here tonight with my friend Shauna.
Hi, y'all.
And tonight we're going to be making herb salt, sometimes known as green salt. And what that is all about is you got all of these beautiful herbs, either from your garden or somebody else's garden. And this is a way that you can preserve those, use them throughout the year and have a little taste of summer. Tonight we're going to be doing a basil salt with all these different kinds of basil I've got here. I'm going to go ahead and start picking these off. And then we've also got marjoram, oregano, sage, rosemary, and thyme. And we're going to be mixing those together to do a blend that I'll call a Mediterranean salt. So now we've got the food processor out. We've got about 2 cups of loosely packed basil that I will put the blade in. And we'll go ahead and put this in here. And then you need about a cup of salt. And I'm using a Himalayan pink salt. It's got minerals in it. I think it's really nice for the herbs. We'll go ahead and put that in. And then we're about to make a whole lot of noise because we're going to pulse the food processor. You don't want the herbs to be a paste, but you do want them to be small. So we're not there yet. What do you think, Shauna?
I think it looks amazing.
I think it needs to be a little bit smaller. Keep going.
It smells amazing.
It really does. I think that's pretty good. Now we're making the second salt blend. I've added that mix of herbs I showed you earlier. We took the small leaves off the stems, and you can leave tender stems in there if you want. Put it in here with the salt. Now we're going to add some garlic to this one. And it's the same ratio as the last one, about 2 cups of herbs to 1 cup of salt. And I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic.
Did you use the same salt in this one?
You know, I do.
Oh, well, what kind did you use?
I used another Himalayan pink salt. I like it. And, but it's a fine ground one because I'm going to use this one a little bit differently than the other. So, I'll show you when we take it out of the oven. So we just separated the cloves. We're just going to smash them a little. Makes it easier to get the skins off. And I said I was going to do 4, but I'm actually going to do 5.
Because you really can't have too much garlic.
No, I don't think so. So we've ground up this second herb salt now, and it didn't take quite as long because the salt was finer. We're going to go ahead and give it the first smell. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh my gosh.
Wow. That smells amazing.
It does smell amazing.
This is, you can probably smell it outside.
You probably could.
It's pretty strong.
Really intense.
So now our salt's done. So we have on the left, we will do the basil coarse salt. And then on the right, we will use the Mediterranean fine salt. Here. Still right off. Can you taste the herbs?
Mm-hmm.
Here,
It's so good.
Oh wow, that is good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I like that a lot. Excuse me.
And it's really good.
So, herb salt is something that you can use so many different places, so many different things. You can take a frozen dinner, throw a little herb salt on top, and it's going to lift it up and taste great. So, thanks for joining us today. Try out some herb salt. Let us know what you think, and hit subscribe to see some more videos from us. Thank you.